This video will provide an overview of the Urology Integrated Diagnostic Report, or URO-IDR, which is generated for every targeted prostate biopsy case done at our institution. The URO-IDR enables the compilation of diagnostic data from radiology, urology, and pathology into a single EMR-linked report that can be used to concisely transmit the key findings from each discipline to both clinicians and patients. Upon logging in through the electronic medical record and clicking on the URO-IDR link, the user is brought to the Assessment tab shown here, which is the functional home page of the report. This page highlights the key demographic and clinical information at the top of the screen, and prominently displays the final radiologic and pathologic findings immediately below. The Pathology tab, shown here, provides a more detailed explanation of the pathology findings provided in the original pathology report, along with representative images chosen by the pathologist. Similarly, the Radiology tab provides a convenient source for the original radiology report, along with a number of representative images chosen by the radiologist from the diagnostic MRI. The Ancillary Studies tab allows for the upload of any other relevant diagnostic studies performed, such as molecular testing. There are no ancillary studies associated with this case. The Image Analysis tab, shown here, allows users to rotate a 3D model of the prostate with the lesion of interest and biopsy cores mapped out. Systematic and negative cores can be added or removed as desired. Additionally, preset views, including an anatomical axial view, can quickly be obtained using the menu. This tool is especially helpful for both procedure planning and patient education. The Timeline tab details a patient's diagnostic history chronologically on an interactive timeline. Users can simply click through the various events on the timeline to obtain a concise overview of a patient's workup, potentially avoiding the need to search through the EMR. The All Images tab provides a location where all images added to the report by either the pathologist or radiologist can be accessed. This includes images uploaded directly from the Fusion Biopsy software. The full report can be emailed to physicians within our institution's various departments directly through the RadPath platform. Alternatively, the report can be printed, or an abridged PDF version may be generated, such as the one shown here, to be shared with referring physicians or given to the patient. At our institution, 1,638 individual URO-IDRs have been generated between June 2016 and April 2019. There were 5,715 views of these documents via the EMR. The average turnaround time for the creation of an individual report decreased from nearly 8 days at the time of its launch to 2 days after 6 months of use. The average user time for report generation was 22 seconds for the pathologist and 69 seconds for the radiologist. This web-based, vendor-agnostic platform is based on our institution's source code, which can be made available cost-free to outside institutions on an individualized basis. We have personally found the URO-IDR to be a helpful and efficient tool in terms of procedure planning and simplicity of record keeping for both clinical and research purposes. For further information on how to bring the URO-IDR to your institution, please contact Dr. Corey Arnold at cwarnold@mednet.ucla.edu.